In this video, I'm going to use the addition formula to derive the identity cosine of theta minus pi over 2 is equals to sine of theta. So what we'll be looking at there is the addition formula for cosine. For the addition formula for cosine, we have cosine of A plus or minus B is equals to cosine of A multiplied by cosine of B minus or plus sine A multiplied by sine B. What this formula is saying is when we have a plus here on the right hand side, we would have a minus. When we have a minus here on the right hand side, we would have a plus. So by comparison of these parts here, what is in the parentheses there, we would see that our A is a theta, our B is a pi over 2. So I can go on and write my left hand side cosine of theta minus pi over 2. Now the formula that we would use here is the one where we have the minus. So when you have a minus here on the right hand side, we would have a plus. Go on and then substitute the value of the A and the B that we have here. So that we would have cosine of theta multiplied by cosine of pi over 2 plus sine of theta multiplied by sine of pi over 2. I can now go on and look at what is in the parentheses here. For cosine of pi over 2, the result there is a 0. Sine of pi over 2 is a 1. So substitute these values here and we would have 0 times cosine of theta plus 1 times sine theta. But when you look at 0 times cosine of theta, the result there will be a 0. Then 1 multiplied by sine theta will just remain with sine theta. So our result there will give us sine theta. So what we are having there is cosine of theta minus pi over 2 is equals to sine of theta, which is the result that was required.